Could installing a security system to your home, office, or business really be as easy as screwing in a light bulb? The innovators at TOVNET decided it should be. With years of development and design, they've created the TOVNET light bulb security camera, which can be installed in any light outlet to immediately begin recording your premises. The light bulb security camera has a 120 viewing angle that can be adjusted 360 degrees and is motion activated day or night. The camera is equipped with a backup data storage system in an SD card, and the data can also be downloaded via Wi-Fi to smartphones or computers. A dedicated app allows you to check your cameras throughout the day. Not only does the camera record video, but there's a two-way audio element that can both record noise and project it into the area remotely. The light bulb security camera can even send you an email alert when motion has been detected. By using a compression video technology, you don't have to worry about running out of space for your security recordings. So how does it work? The unit is all-in-one and requires no extra installations beyond placing the TOVNET light bulb security camera in a compatible light socket. Once installed, it's simple to get it working with your smartphone app or custom remote control to have the security of your home, office, or business at your fingertips. Order one today.
Etekcity's Voltson Smart Wi-Fi outlet is for anyone and everyone. If you're responsible, it's for you. Tap away to manage everything. If you're forgetful, even better. The technique is the same. All you need is the free VSync app and connection to a typical 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. No hub or other clunky extra accessories required. Setup and installation are easy, and the connection is stable. While the Voltson adds a smart upgrade to your home, it doesn't matter how old or new your appliances are. Every ordinary lamp will still turn on at your scheduled command. And every treasured extraordinary lamp will turn off as it's timed to do. VSync collects valuable info through every plug, so you can track power consumption and save on energy costs. There are a number of specific functions to take advantage of. With Away mode, have your outlet turn on and off at random while you're away to give the appearance that someone's at home. With Energy Saving mode, set a maximum dollar amount so that an appliance doesn't cost you more than you've allowed. Power Protection helps prevent an appliance from being damaged by power spikes. For even more convenience, have VSync and Voltson work with Alexa or Google Home Assistant. VSync also supports IFTTT applets. Whatever your style, we're fairly certain all these fine details add up when you're running a busy home. We'd be surprised if Voltson outlets couldn't help you out a little.
Alexa, order Etekcity Voltson Wi-Fi smart outlets.